I'm gonna share with you 6 best business ideas that you can start today, and we start right now. What's going on? Welcome to another video in the series of small business ideas that you can start today. If this is your first time here and you want to get business ideas or how to start a profitable business idea, please subscribe right now so that you don't miss anything in the videos. Enroll quick before I give out my list, and let me note down in the comment below if you have a business that is already operating or is already ongoing, or if you have a question down in the comment below. The business ideas that I want to share with you today is called intermediate business ideas. I call these ideas intermediate business ideas because they require minimum startup capital to establish or to start the type of business that you are going to choose. Stick to the end of this video so that you see which type of business that works out or you can start. The number one business idea that I have for you today is child care center. Child care center is a booming business idea. It is booming business idea because of the increased number of women who are working today. It is estimated that 3/4 of the working women who have got kids under the age of 3 are looking for a place where they can keep their kids so that they attend to their duties. It is also a place where kids can get, it should be a place where kids can get an education which prepares for them to join elementary schools. Thus, this creates an opportunity to establish a business. The second business venture that I want to share with you today is gym centers or aerobic centers. This is one of the booming or increasingly profitable business because of its demand. Fitness industry has been growing since many youth are into bodybuilding activities. Many youth want to attend gyms so that they keep fit and lead a healthy life. Most of the people also want to reduce the number of cholesterol, or they want to lose weight. It is a very big venture that anyone needs to think of. If you can have a center whereby you can establish an aerobic place or a gym, this will be a very good venture so that you can make profit. Third business idea that I want to share with you today is driving school. Establishing a driving school requires you to have a van and office on top of the licenses that's required to establish that business. A large number of people are graduating from high school as well as colleges, which require them to have a knowledge of driving. There are also very many people who want to study or to learn how to drive for commercial reasons. Establishing a driving school will be an opportunity for you to get clients from high schools or people who want to establish commercial business or commercial driving. So it's a great venture that you can make profit with the current demand for driving from colleges. The fourth business that I want to share with you today is professional coaching. This is a business idea for you if you are competent in certain field. Professional coaching can be in any service provision. This can be coaching students in certain subjects like accounting, engineering, and so forth. It can also be coaching people in their life skills. It can be in forms of sports. It can be in building relationship. You can be a coach for students who want to become an athlete. You can be a coach, professional coach for students who want to play soccer. It is a very good venture for you if you know that you are good at a certain field, such as relationship building, teaching certain subjects. Professional coaching is one big business that needs someone to invest in. So do not forget to invest if you are good in certain fields. This can be your hobby. This can be your hobby. If you're good at football, you can you can start a class, you can start helping people. So invest in it. Go ahead, there's nothing that can stop you. The fifth business idea that I want to share with you today is internet cyber cafe. Establishing internet cyber cafe. Internet cyber cafe is very crucial for everyone. Everyone needs to have access to internet. Many people don't have access to internet services. It is good venture for places where there are no internet service in their homes or in their houses to establish a center where people can easily go and check their emails, print out something. Many places in Africa, Asia, and Europe doesn't have internet access in their homes. So establishing a center where people can access will be a profitable or a good venture that someone needs to look at. So if you are in a place whereby internet is not available in the houses, in homes, such as most places in Africa, internet or cybercave business is one idea you need to establish. The last business venture that I'm going to share with you is export and import of second-hand clothes. Second-hand clothes is of high demand, mostly in Asian and African countries. If you're one person that you have an access to second-hand clothes, this can be places where second-hand clothes are taken for giving it out, or kind of a warehouse or a store where people take their second-hand clothes. It is a very good idea to buy this kind of second-hand clothes and to transport to Africa, whereby you can sell it at an affordable price. Very many places in Asia, like Dubai and United States, you can get second-hand clothes at a cheaper price. These clothes are sold at a bulk. Then you can transport this one and sell in Africa or Asia, other places where these clothes are high demand. If you want to learn how to operate a business or how to improve your business, hit the subscribe icon right now so that you don't miss anything, so that you also don't miss the future videos like this one. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video.